Smartphones are everything now. They have become an integral part of our daily lives, seamlessly blending into our routines and activities. We use them to communicate, work, and entertain ourselves. From sending a quick text to watching our favorite shows, smartphones are our go-to devices. They're practically an extension of us, always within arm's reach, ready to assist us in countless ways. So when a new phone promises to be the future, it really grabs your attention. The excitement of unboxing a new device is unparalleled. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra does exactly that. It stands out with its sleek design and powerful features. It pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can be, introducing innovations that set new standards in the industry. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. We'll explore its features, performance, and overall user experience. This phone is a statement piece. It's not just a device, it's a symbol of cutting-edge technology and modern design. From its premium materials to its cutting-edge technology, every aspect of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has been meticulously crafted. It's clear that Samsung aimed for the top with this release. The attention to detail is evident in every feature and component. The question is, did they hit the mark? Let's find out as we delve deeper into what makes this phone truly special. The S25 Ultra is a looker. It has a sleek design with refined curves. The build quality is top-notch, as you'd expect from a flagship device. The phone feels solid and well-made in hand. Samsung really nailed the premium feel here. The display is stunning. It's a large, dynamic AMOLED screen with an incredibly sharp resolution. Colors pop off the screen and blacks are deep and inky. Whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or playing games, the display is a treat for the eyes. The camera is a major selling point for the S25 Ultra. Samsung has really outdone themselves with this one. It features a new and improved sensor with larger pixels, which means better light capture and more vibrant photos. This allows for exceptional low-light performance and incredible detail in every shot. Whether you're capturing a sunset or a night out with friends, the results are stunning. The image stabilization is also top-notch, ensuring steady videos and blur-free photos. Even if you have shaky hands, your videos will look professional. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra packs the latest and greatest processor. This powerhouse ensures that everything runs smoothly. This, combined with plenty of RAM, makes for a blazing fast experience. You can switch between apps without any lag. Apps open instantly and multitasking is a breeze. You can run multiple apps simultaneously without any hiccups. The phone can handle even the most demanding games and applications without breaking a sweat. Gamers will appreciate the smooth and responsive performance. Battery life is always a concern, but the S25 Ultra doesn't disappoint. You can go through your day without constantly worrying about finding a charger. The battery easily lasts a full day of heavy use. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or working, it keeps up with your demands. It also supports super fast charging, so you can juice it up quickly if needed. Just a few minutes of charging can give you hours of use. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is an impressive piece of technology, showcasing Samsung's commitment to innovation and quality. It excels in almost every area, from its stunning design and display, which offers vibrant colors and sharp details, to its powerful performance and incredible camera. The camera system is versatile, allowing you to capture professional quality photos and videos effortlessly. It's a phone that pushes boundaries and sets a new standard for flagship devices, combining cutting-edge technology with a user-friendly experience. Of course, no phone is perfect. The S25 Ultra is expensive, but you get what you pay for in terms of features and performance. The premium price reflects its premium build and capabilities, making it a worthwhile investment for tech enthusiasts. If you're looking for the best of the best, and don't mind the price tag, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is the phone for you. It truly stands out in the crowded smartphone market.